Self-respect is the turning point of every man's life. It is the moment you decide that your peace matters more than their approval. Your boundaries matter more than their reactions. And your future matters more than holding on to people who treat you like an option. There comes a time when a man looks at his life and realizes that the biggest damage wasn't done by others. It was done by abandoning himself, by giving too many chances, by staying where he was disrespected, by lowering his standards just to keep the wrong people close. Self-respect is the moment you stop breaking yourself to keep relationships alive. It is the moment you say, if you can't treat me right, you don't get access to me. Not my time, not my energy, not my heart. When you truly respect yourself, everything shifts. You stop chasing. You stop begging. You stop explaining your worth to people who benefit from pretending not to see it. You move differently. You speak differently. You walk away faster. Not out of anger, but out of clarity. You understand that losing someone who doesn't value you is not a loss. It's a correction. Self-respect turns loneliness into peace. It turns heartbreak into redirection. And it turns silence into a weapon of growth. People begin to treat you according to the standards you set, not the emotions you feel. And once you raise those standards, you will never fall back down again. Because you've tasted the power of choosing yourself. The Stoics taught that the strongest man is the one who controls what he allows into his life. Not everyone deserves a seat at your table. Not everyone deserves access to your world. Self-respect is knowing that your energy is sacred and protecting it at all costs. The truth is simple. When you respect yourself, you attract people who respect you. When you value your time, you attract people who value it. When you demand better, life gives you better. And when you finally stop accepting the bare minimum, everything changes. Self-respect isn't loud. It isn't dramatic. It isn't a speech you give to others. It is a silent shift inside of you. A quiet moment where you decide that you are done settling. The day you choose self-respect is the day your life begins again. And as your self-respect grows, something else happens. You begin to see people clearly for the first time, not through the lens of your attachment, not through your hopes or fantasies, but through their actions. And the truth becomes simple. Anyone who cannot match your effort, your loyalty, or your honesty is not meant to stand beside you. Self-respect teaches you to stop negotiating with people who already know what they're doing. The disrespect wasn't an accident. The mixed signals weren't confusion. The inconsistencies weren't mistakes. It was who they chose to be. and you finally choose to walk away. You stop trying to rebuild connections that crumble every time you step back. You stop explaining your heart to people who treat it like it's replaceable. You stop offering a seat at your table to people who bring nothing but hunger and excuses. Because with self-respect, you realize something powerful. Your life is not a place for everyone. Your energy is not a discount store. Your loyalty is not a free gift. Self-respect makes you protective, not paranoid, not guarded, just aware. You know that peace is expensive, and not everyone can afford to be in your life. And slowly, the things that once broke you no longer reach you. The words that once cut deep no longer touch you. The people you once chased no longer matter. Your power returns to you, piece by piece. You become harder to manipulate, harder to distract, harder to pull away from your purpose, not because you are cold, but because you are controlled, not because you don't care, but because you finally care about yourself first. Self-respect makes your presence rare. Your energy becomes something people feel, not something they use. You become the man who can walk alone without losing himself, and the man who others regret losing only when it's too late. This is why self-respect changes everything. Because the moment you refuse to shrink, the world is forced to adjust to your true size. And when you rise with dignity, discipline, and silence, you become the version of yourself you were always meant to be. If this message spoke to you, stay with us. There's more to learn, more to build, more to become. Like the video if it resonated, comment your thoughts below, and subscribe for more Stoic wisdom on the path to becoming stronger, calmer, and untouchable. Your discipline brought you here. Your growth starts now. If this message spoke to you, stay with us. There's more to learn, more to build, more to become. Like the video if it resonated. Comment your thoughts below, and subscribe for more Stoic wisdom on the path to becoming stronger, calmer, and untouchable. Your discipline brought you here. Your growth starts now.